Hey everybody, it's Fernando back again with another cooking video. Actually, it's going to be a baking video. There's a recipe that I found on Facebook that I've been wanting to make for a couple of weeks now. It's chocolate chip cloud cookies. So it only uses 6 ingredients. Seems simple enough, and so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And I decided to do it tonight because Shane kind of had a bad day today, and I figured these might cheer him up. So, tonight I'm using a light that I bought a long time ago. I never used it before because it was really bright and I didn't know how it made me look. You know, I didn't know if I liked the way it made me look. So this is me with the light on. And then this is with no light. So without the light, the lighting is more warmer. Where with the light, it's like super cold. So... Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and make this video with this light. Eventually I'd like to invest in like maybe a light ring or something, because I just don't feel like it's bright enough in here to record video. But anyway, you guys let me know what you think, which is better, with the light or without the light. So let's go ahead and get started with making these cookies. Here are the ingredients I'm going to be using. 4 large egg whites, half a cup of sugar, an 1/8 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, straight from Mexico, it's so good, and of course chocolate chip cookies. You'll see it says Toll House. I always wondered where the Toll House cookie name came from, how it was named that. So I decided to do a little bit of research, and what I learned was that the chocolate chip cookie was actually invented by a woman by the name of Ruth Wakefield, and she and her husband owned an inn with the restaurant, and it was called the Toll House Inn. Well, one night while she was making cookies, she did not have any cocoa powder. So what she did was she took a Nestle candy bar and broke it up into pieces and mixed it into the batter, expecting for the chocolate chip pieces to melt and incorporate throughout the cookie dough. But what actually happened is the chocolate pieces remained whole in the cookie, and that is how the chocolate chip cookie was invented. She actually took the recipe to Nestle, where they exchanged the recipe for a lifetime of chocolate, which she used to keep making cookies. Well, anyway, Nestle is the one that actually came up with chocolate chips, and so in honor of the person that invented them and the inn that they owned, they're now called Toll House chocolate morsels. So anyway, I thought that was a neat story. Thought I'd share that with you. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with actually making the cookies now. I have my egg whites and the 1/8 teaspoon of cream of tartar in a bowl. So now I'm going to whip it with the blender until I get some soft peaks. Alright, I'm going to slowly mix in the half cup of sugar. Look how pretty that is. Look at those pretty peaks. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now it's time to dump in a cup of chocolate chip cookies. Not cookies, but just chocolate chips. I don't know why I said that. Alrighty, so we're going to fold these in here now till they're nicely mixed. So everything's mixed. Now I'm going to go ahead and drop these on to my cookie sheet. Here we have my cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. And I'm going to go ahead and drop even dollops of the chocolate chip batter. Whoops. Well, these are certainly not going to be uniform. So here they are. I've preheated my oven to 300 degrees. So next I'm going to slide these in and let them bake for 35 to 40 minutes. I just took them out of the oven. So now let's try one. Well, they're not the prettiest looking cookies, but they certainly are interesting. Let's see how they taste. They're actually very good. They're very light, kind of meringue, and really good. That's not bad. To only have 6 ingredients and be really easy to make. They're not the best looking cookies, but they taste really good. I would definitely recommend that. If you want to make something quick and easy, definitely give that a shot. It's really good. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. Alright everybody, well thank you for watching. I'm going to get ready to go to bed because I am so tired. But I hope you all have a good night or a good morning, and I will talk to you guys later.